In this video, we'll show you how to use Smart Reply, a feature that uses AI to generate suggested responses to customer queries based on your own data. First, make sure Smart Reply is turned on. You'll find it under Automation, Agents, then choose your agent, Settings, then scroll to AI Features, and turn on Smart Reply. Smart Reply works in two areas: live chats and open tickets. When responding to a live chat, Smart Reply draws from your AI Assist data sources, uploaded documents, FAQs, your knowledge base, shortcuts, plain text, or a website URL. Once that's done, Smart Reply is ready to go. Inside an active chat, click Smart Reply and the system will start generating a response. You'll see Smart Reply is typing with 3 dots while it works. Once the response appears, you can send it as is, edit it first, or click the source button to see where the answer came from. If the response needed editing, it's worth updating your data source too. That way, the same query gets a better answer automatically next time. The second area is open tickets. The process is identical. Click Smart Reply, review the response, then send it, edit it, or generate a new one. Smart Reply is designed for your human agents, giving them an instant suggested response so they can work faster and serve customers more efficiently. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.